What is herbal tea? The definition for herbal teas, less known as tisanes, are made from, or infused with herbs, spices and other plant materials. 1. Fights cold. Herbal teas are great for treating a cold. The elder tree herb is known for fighting colds, plus it contains properties that help with clearing the nasal passages and stops heavy coughs. It can also help with reducing the symptoms of asthma. 2. Improves digestion. Herbal tea helps with breaking down fats and speed up the emptying of the stomach. Doing this, they can reduce symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and vomiting. Drinking a cup of herbal tea after a meal can help with digesting your food easily. Herbal tea is high in spearmint, which smooths the digestive system and acts as an appetite suppressant, reducing the impulsion to overeat. The best tea for these symptoms are dandelion, chamomile, cinnamon, peppermint, and ginger tea. 3. Improves the immune system. Herbal tea contains antioxidants and vitamins which are great for helping fight disease and infections. They can also protect against oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic disease. The best herbal teas for boosting the immune system are elderberry, echinacea and ginger. 4. Reducing inflammation. Drinking herbal tea each day can help with people that suffer from arthritis. It does this by reducing pain, swelling, and tiredness in joints. The best herb is ginger to relieve inflammation. This is because of the main component gingerol. This makes the ginger tea an ideal treatment for joint and muscle pain. 5. Anti-aging. Research has shown that the antioxidants found in herbal tea slows down the aging process. It does this by preventing free radical damage and reduce the aging of cells inside the body. This helps to make your skin and hair look and feel younger. 6. Relieves stress and anxiety. Herbal tea helps to calm and relax the mind, relieving stress and anxiety. For the reason, it helps with calming the mind. People who suffer from insomnia could benefit from drinking herbal tea before going to sleep. The best tea for dealing with stress relief and insomnia is chamomile tea. It helps due to the comforting effect, may also act as a mild antidepressant for some as it stimulates the brain to reduce feelings of depression. 7. Reducing blood pressure. Drinking herbal tea can help with lowering the blood pressure. Herbal tea such as hibiscus can decrease blood pressure without negative side effects due to the chemicals it contains. High blood pressure can negatively affect the heart and kidney, therefore hibiscus tea could be a natural treatment. 8. Skin health. Herbal tea is useful for treating acne without causing side effects, unlike some medications. The tea can be ingested or by directly applying the tea onto the skin. The best teas for treating the skin are rooibos and chamomile tea. This is because of their antioxidants and antibacterial properties. Spearmint tea may also work to reduce the breakout of acne. Thank you for watching.